Perfect laddus for bone health during winter season. So lightly roast sesame seeds. Make sure the gas flame is low medium. If it's high, it will remain raw inside. So keep on stirring it on a low medium heat. And it takes about 5 to 7 minutes. But look at clues like the aroma it releases. From the aroma, you will know first it will smell raw, then it will go to toasty flavor aroma. And the biggest sign is it will start popping up, and then you know it's done. So the pan is hot, so we're going to take it out and let it cool down. Roast dry fruits very lightly to make it crunchy. So once the dry fruits are roasted, take any dry fruits of your choice, whatever is available, whatever you like. Let it cool down completely, because if you blend it when it's hot, it will release the moisture which will spoil the laddus. So let it cool down. Add cardamom, dry ginger powder. Jaggery dry ginger powder is very good in the winter season. Blend it on pulse mode. So what I do is I don't allow my blender to get hot because it will break, and also the taste of the laddus differs. So you blend it for 30 seconds. Take a stop for some time, 1 minute gap. Again blend it for 30 seconds. It doesn't take much time. Within 10-12 minutes, it's done. So have patience. Just blend it for 30 seconds and take a gap until you have this consistency. So slowly blending it will release its own oil in which you can roll the laddus. If not, you can add any other healthy fat to roll it. But if you have patience, you don't need to add. And roll it into laddus. Sesame seeds is very good to consume during winter season. It is good for teeth, for bone, it is calcium. And especially, winter season, you should consume sesame seeds, and black sesame seeds are more nutrient value than the white one. Roll it in sesame seeds or coconut or anything. Store it in an airtight container and eat it. Thank you for watching.